So these are the panels or the walls for the restroom area. And instead of trying to force them in place in order to cut the joints, the idea came to me that I'm gonna cut these sheets in half and line them up along the edge with the joints, and then put those up against the wall and cut the pattern out from there. So let's give that a try. As I think about it, I will be cutting a section out here at the top and the bottom, so that, because this would be like at the base and at the top, and I don't want to cut into the top or the base. I'm gonna get this one cut and we'll see how they work out. So I'm gonna work that out, something like that. Have this side marked. I'm just hoping they're close as possible. That's about what I'm gonna go with. So now I have the areas marked, and I'm gonna go ahead and, like I say, make a bold move, do my cuts. And I decided to put a point on the hacksaw blade so it will puncture through. I'm hoping more or less than punch through. So we're gonna go ahead and take care of this. All right, slots are cut in on that side. Let me get the board to see how it fits. Tight, so for the most part it fits pretty good. I'm gonna kind of cut short here, but it's flush at the bottom and it's flush at the top, so I'm gonna leave that as is. A little off on that, but it's flush at the bottom and it's flush at the top. I thought about gluing it in place, but I think I might wait so that way I can do this whole wall at one time without having to make any cuts in it. I can put that canvas on in one piece. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this side cut. Like I said, I'll come back, gray stuff it as needed. And I think I will be PL 300 on the inside and put the Gorilla Glue on the outside. I haven't decided yet, but to keep the mess down, I'll probably PL 300. That's my little restroom area. And in the future, I'm gonna cut that back about an inch and a half, maybe 2. And in the future, if it's decided, I can put a shower head up there. But this is what I have at the moment for the restroom. The opening is plenty wide enough for me to fit through, and or you can step in to the side